Here we go for Module 5. So ChatGPT Masterclass Workshop 101, Module 5 is building your first project. And there's lots of value here in organizing your account so that you can unlock the value of projects. And I'm about to show you how you might set those up within your business. So let's begin. So a custom GPT project exists to organize business knowledge in one place and enable people to work on projects faster and keep them more organized within their account. We'll be talking about custom GPTs in workshop 201. And custom GPTs work in a similar way to projects where you build knowledge bases so that the project and the custom GPT have a greater context to what it is that you're trying to do. But there's nuance between the two, and I'm going to show you that now in this next module. So before we begin, though, it's important to understand that in your chat account, the left navigation and the left navigation sidebar, what I want to do is I just want to explain to you how this can get out of control fairly quickly. And I'll explain it this way. So in your chat, you can see here over on the left-hand side, we've got GBTs, which is the GBT store. And I've got some custom GBTs that I built here. So that is in a drop-down menu there. This is where the projects live, and the projects you can see here, I've got multiple projects going on, and there are a whole lot of information in there about what's going on in my different projects. And below projects is the history of all the chats that you have when you go into a new chat. So when you come up here to a new chat and you start a new conversation, that new conversation is going to end up here over on the left-hand side. And it's amazing to me how much goes on in terms of how many conversations we actually have in the platform. This will kind of blow your mind. But what happens is this history here gets out of control very quickly. It gets a little messy, and it's then hard to find things that you've been working on over in this window.